Executive Member Steering Committee NSCN GPRN S.Vara yarui Ithum bloodshed he avoid saphalungra the hanghaira Maram he ayan naga we political shongza we matangli indirection kasa kahangna S.Vara Litan otshot we Maram kahang athishurda Ithum bloodshed avoid saphalungra thotchan he shenglak kahaina the hanga British colonial na Indian third party shichin laga rotkhamarat shok thada Ara Union of Indian nala kuki shichin laga Ithum apam higatha rotkhamarat shok da kahaina da S.Vara hanga Ithum naga leret territorial here resilient kala fiercely salaka kala hi Ithum mashunna kala hi na haupok kare maning mana kare aina haupok kahaina Ara Union of Indian la military solution kapha hi aremana gaji phap tahauda chiwang aina Union of India former army chief na naga case hi a political case na hi a politically resolve saki kachina da kahang kamashung tuina Indo-naga peace process hi zartada zingum tumra kashungi hanghaira kala Ithumna phap taki kachiwa Union of India na Ithum peace process hi fail sakhwai ara chachat shichin laga zakashi ina peace process hi sakhai khwai la sahaira process hi apam akhamangli maning mana kha apam ngatatai dali singa khaina rotkhamarat da khalai issue himang maningla Indo-naga peace process hi mathalak aina phap kata darkar sayada S.Vara hanga peace process hi Union of India aina naga akhoka khani lungli haukapokna Ithumna thaiki gachi Ithum hi Burma or Indian Union li mazang phalung mana kha Union of India li Territorial dispute later kalaina Jithada sada naga aina India la issue hi chingri aina resolve sakhwai atam rahaira da shitsanga kala peaceful dialogue aina ngacham sangki kachina da S.Vara hanga